Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg. You see before you a 28.5 by 38.5 centimetre canvas, and as you can see I have thrown some colours on. Some of them got a bit mixed, but it doesn't really matter because with what I'm going to be doing with a chain, they're going to be mixed a lot better than that. Now there was one thing that I was going to do but I have forgotten. Alcohol. May as well get the painting drunk. I just want to see what this might do. You never know your luck. But I'm going to be stirring it up, so I'm not expecting any cells or anything flash or fancy, but there is silicone in these colours. So I have my chain, and as you can see it's doubled and it goes in the middle, and I'm going to try and just work it around. Might have to go around a couple of times. The idea with this is not to put too much paint on, but it would appear that I've done just that. But we'll soon see what happens. Some of it might go over the edge. Yes, it's going over now, so that's kind of good. Lay that there. I don't want to. I noticed that I had my finger pushed down a bit too hard in the centre here, and I was making a well, so that's something to be aware of. The colours that I'm using are black, white, vermilion, and I have the lighter colour is the same, vermilion, but it has white in it just to lighten it, so that, you know, a little bit of a shading contrast. Just see if I can get some of this paint to come off, but that's quite pretty. Where are you? Come here. Come hither. Let's do this. Right. And then I should be able to pick up where I left off. Bring this paint back over where I just, oops, what are you? Where I just scraped it off. Might put a little bit of something here. What have I got left? White. Okay. Alright, so I don't want to take it anymore because I think it's starting to muddy, and I don't want that, so I'm going to do this. Then I will maybe a speck of white. Alright, do. Right. Oops. Shouldn't have done that. That might look better. Yeah. And then I'll just, where do I put my little gizmo? Can't see for looking. What are you? Oh, there you are. Huh. I'll put a little bit of this one in the centre here. And a little bit of this one. And where's the white? On this little dog. Right. Then I was going to do that, wasn't I? Underneath show more, you will, at the bottom of this video, you will find the recipes to the paints and the pouring medium, and you'll also find a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome to come and join us. What's that? We'd like to have your company. And there's also a link there to Fine Arts America, my page over there. It's nice to have a look at, and they have some really good quality products over there. I'll just do these corners before I torch, I think. A few dabs. Of course, this isn't the corner, is it? But still, you know what I mean. This is, though. Right along here. Oh, missed a lot. I think this is rather nice. It's different. Certainly is different. Oops. I have to remember, if I do another one of these, to cover the edges and the corners before I even start. Oh, goodness, go away. It's extremely windy here today. It's gale force, and everything is bumping and slamming, and that crash you just heard was my French doors blowing shut. Right. Oh, I might put some. Goodness, I am clumsy today. Right. To do something with that white I just splotched. That's okay. That only takes a second. When you find the right tool that you just had, there we go. Oh, actually it doesn't look too bad, does it then? Okay, come this way. Right, so I'm going to torch this, and I think I've told you everything. Facebook group. Yep. Alright. Torch. That is certainly different. Those cells hopefully will continue to grow, and I shouldn't have done that. See if it'll take it up. Come on, take it up. Don't need canvas there. Let that blue go in here. Serve me right. Go poking around with things. You see, I can't not half the time. All right, so I'll bring you down to have a closer look at this, and please give this video the thumbs up, and I much appreciate people that give me the thumbs up. It's very helpful. Maybe a bit of black in the centre there, eh? Make it look like vortex. I think I'll do that in a minute. Yes, that's very pretty. And quite different. Yep, wrong way. Quite different when you see it as a whole. All right, well, I'll put you back up top, and then I'm going to put a bit of black in that centre when I get you on. Come on. No, in you go. That's it. Bring you up a bit closer. All right. And I have a little bit of black. Yes, I think that looks a bit better with the black. Yes, I like that. That is good. That is a take. Well, thank you very much for watching, and as I asked, please give this video the thumbs up, and I hope you've enjoyed watching as much as I've enjoyed making it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.